Hi everyone. Oh, that's a creaky door. Layla just woke up from a nap. How was your nap?
Good.
It was just a little nap, huh? You ready for some lunch?
Good.
Yeah. I was just in Layla's room because her shelf came crashing down again. I just fixed it last night. I bought these shelves from Target actually for Winston when he was a baby. They're for recipe books and like you can hang like different things from them, but I thought they'd be so cute in the kids' bedrooms to do little holiday books. And we've loved them, but one keeps falling down and I fixed it last night. I'm just using command hooks to hang them, but this one keeps falling down and I'm thinking, I mean, duh. I don't know, I feel like command hooks are so strong and hold up so much weight, but the only thing I can think is it's because I have this little basket of like Layla's cute dolls and her bunny and different toys that she doesn't like play with a ton, but are kind of special, so I want to keep them up. I had that hanging from the shelf, so I'm guessing that's the reason it fell. I had it just right here next to it. This is a new thing that we did, but I love the idea of having different holiday books. I just got some fall books from Winston's book order. Then I'll do Christmas. We have a bunch from the year that we did the Christmas countdown with books. That was so much fun. I want to do that again. My kids really loved that. But we have been reading more because the kids notice the books and then they also want us to read, or we notice books and we want to read. So it's been a really good thing to have, but that shelf fell again. I know. I also got this to hang above Layla's bed. It's super cute. Just from Cost Plus World Market. Hang above her bed right there. And I think it will be so pretty. Yeah, we're almost done with your room. Yeah. And then I found a cute like hanging chair just from Walmart that I want to put right here. And then your room will be done. You'll be the only one. Also, we've just been running errands and we got home and I noticed a couple packages on my doorstep. So I'm gonna get her some lunch and then I'm gonna show you what I got. You guys wanna see what I got? Michael's Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Who else has been watching Shane Dawson? And every time you buy something from Jeffree Star. I mean, the products are so good. So I'm happy about it and I can't wait to see everything. But every time I watch, I'm like, oh, I should order something. Come on, want some lunch? Come on, little bunny rabbit. Yeah. Okay, what do we have in here? I think these are lip glosses. I'll open them. Oh no, these are the concealers and I wasn't sure what color. So I got a couple. Wait, did I order the wrong color? Oh shoot, I'm gonna open this really quick. I did, I ordered like the white. Shooty. I know I did that on accident and then I ended up buying it instead of switching it. I did want to do, I think, C5 and C6, but I think that this should be my color. So I have one and I'll figure out what to do with this. Okay, and then I also got the Blood Sugar palette. Do you guys have any palettes? If you do, let me know. I mean, so good. And I got a mirror. I got the Jawbreaker mirror. Okay, I'm gonna open everything and show you. This is really beautiful. I mean, I've just loved everything that I've ever gotten, and so I definitely wanted to try this palette. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, did I do it? Look how cute this is. I didn't have a hand mirror. I just usually use like my bronzer or a palette that I'm using. So I thought I would get this and it is adorable and I'm so happy about it. Anyways, I really wanted to try this concealer. I'm excited and I'll let you know. The reason is because like I have a lot of wrinkles. I don't think you can always see them in the vlogs, but I mean, I'm 35. So I have a lot of wrinkles and creases under my eyes. I've been struggling so bad to find a concealer that doesn't crease and settle in my lines. And I know like that's nearly impossible, but I have high hopes. Rosie! Oh, hi girlfriend. Oh, hi. Okay, and here is my Michael's box and I am super excited to show you guys because I don't know how long this stuff will last. It's really good, but these are fun and I mean pretty simple crafts to do with your kids. These boxes light up. It's so cute. They can paint them or they can color them with markers, but I just think that that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. So definitely grab them. They're usually on sale, so $15, but you can usually find them on sale. Always look for coupons when you go to Michael's. But I got a few of those just because I thought it would be fun to do these like throughout the month of December. Also, you guys know I love a good Christmas countdown, and they have the light up boxes. Like, I cannot even. These are so cute. So you could put a little treat inside. The kids could make them. This also lights up. I've seen these on like different websites. I can't think of them right now, for like so much money. And this was, again, 15 bucks. And you can get it on sale. So hurry and get these if you can, because that's a great deal. I also got these little Frankensteins, and I got little cats because I'm helping with Winston's Halloween party, and I said that I would do the craft, and I saw these and I just thought, how cute. I don't know if we'll paint. I'm gonna talk to Winston's teacher, because if not, they could also just use marker and color them. I also have like that little printer that I love, I've talked about. So I can print their little picture off and then stick their little face on there, and they'll have a cute little craft. Their parents will have a cute little craft, and I was just so excited about these. This might be going up after Halloween, this vlog. I'm so behind. I'm really wanting to get caught up, and I'm really wanting to upload more. But definitely doing Vlogmas. I've had people ask. I'm definitely planning on doing Vlogmas. I'm definitely planning on like adding more crafts in with Vlogmas, because I just think it's such a fun time to craft and do things with your kids. I'm going to show you something that I've been working on. I have been crafting a ton lately because I've been super into watching Dollar Tree crafts. So I'm amazed. And I made my own Dollar Tree craft. Let me show you. I took this guy that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I turned him into this guy. Is that so fun? I'm like having way too much fun with this, and I'm like making way too many messes. Yeah, it's a problem. I think I'm stocked up on things that I need for like 2 years at least. But I'm having so much fun. And I mean, really, for $1 to be able to make something like this. And I was like trying to find different schools and things to make these, and I couldn't find any. And then we went yesterday and I found these. So I'm gonna make this guy teal, I think, and also bedazzle him. But let me know what you think. I've been going to the dollar store to get craft supplies, and they have this clay, which is obviously $1, and the kids have loved it. Look at all of these things that Winston has made. It's like so perfect. It is a little bit of a mess, but such a good mess that I welcome it, and like I cannot get over this. It's so cute. We're prepping some of our, yeah, bite that, cilantro. We're prepping our Halloween treats. The boys are gonna help me make some guacamole. Is that right, Winston? You wanna make guacamole or mummies?
Guacamole.
Guacamole. Schmackashmole. How was the cilantro?
Good.
Good? Yeah, eat all the avocado off of that. Yes, please, thank you. I don't think we'll need it. No, just put it in here, buddy. It's not dirty. I think we're about ready to film the first one. There's always a mess behind me. People used to say, how is your house so clean? And I was like, you're only seeing my kitchen. Because it's not. I'm gonna put some cute little things behind us.
That's not cute.
You think that's scary? Anyway, it was fun. I had fun making it. Let's put this guy over here.
She painted
Whoa.
She painted and put the eyeballs in.
Were you creeped out? Yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you say? Let's have Braylee wear this one. Did Layla steal yours?
Yeah.
Let's see Layla. Layla just woke up. So we'll see if she wants to film. Layla, do you want to make
your headband?
Oh my goodness, that is cute. Did you guys know that Casey is the VSCO girl?
A what?
VSCO girl?
VSCO?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Show Dad the dance.
You don't use plastic straws.
You just have to do that, babe, then you're good.
You also have to get a hydro flask.
And I oops.
And you gotta go yeah.
Oh.
I like that.
Just so you guys know, we're getting kicked out of the house. You can get Winston.
Just for a second, we just have to finish. Some people can't be quiet.
Chips with us.
Little setback with the treat making. We're making little pizzas, and we opened the dough and it was like green. It almost looked like moldy or something, and the package looked wet. For a second we were like, what if we just cut this off? Do you think it would be okay? And then we were like, no, we're gonna go get some new. I don't think I would have dared let anyone eat it.
Yeah, and that would have been so
It's
sad.
pretty nasty.
So what we're making, so I don't know if you guys like have this at your middle schools, but it's called Galaxy Pizza.
Oh, that's
That is exactly what we're making, and I'm so excited. I haven't had it in years. Just kidding.
Years?
I had it last year, but it felt like forever ago.
I don't know what ramps are up. Okay, will you grab that?
That one. Yeah. Do you want me to film?
If you have anything to say.
Peace.
We made guacamole, but we have to wait, so hopefully salsa will hold everyone over. I have some chips. Layla is just eating all the Ritz crackers. You'll see from the treat that we made. Yeah, you can have some. Is it hot? Winston, let's see these little figures that you made. You show me.
That was Batman.
Look at this Batman. Look at his little ears. And he has a cape. That is such a cool Batman. Okay, who's this?
Here's the
Oh, this is with Play-Doh.
Yeah, robot Play-Doh. I'm working on him.
Cool. Yep, I'll help you in just a second.
Here's the dinosaur.
This is a dinosaur.
Georgie Pig.
Georgie Pig. Look at this guy. Georgie Pig. They're so cute. Look at this nose. Winston, I never want you to stop making these, please. Look at this little witch. Your hat's falling off. With her little Tinkerbell wings. You're too adorable.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that's okay. You don't have to wear it anymore. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Pizza. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, it gets a little crazy around here when no one's listening. I mean, with 4 kids, it's not always the easiest to film a video, but it's always fun, and I'm always grateful at the end. Anyways, these are things that we made that I definitely recommend you guys try. They were all fun, they were all interesting, and the kids loved everything. So, watch for these. If they're not up, they will be. I'm gonna try to get them up before you'll probably see this. So if you haven't seen them yet, be sure to check it out. Look at this tiny size. This is actually like a 6-month onesie, and we were filming, and I think her belly might have been showing because I didn't button it.
I do it.
What'd you say? Abracadabra? What do you want? Abracadabra. Oh my goodness. Casey even did some treats with us. That was fun. Only thing this wall is good for, running around it. Other than that, and for hanging that cute shelf. I can't remember where I got the shelf. So many people have asked me. I cannot remember. It was like a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad, and I actually clicked on the site for some planters, and then I saw that and I was like, oh, that is super cute, and now I can't remember. So I need to go through like my bank statement and find where it was from. Once I do, I'll link it because I do love it. It's so cute. You have a kiss for me? Wow. Oh, you smell like those peanut butter crackers. Casey's picking out a story. He always reads them. Bedtime stories. It's super cute.